How to change your card on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your card on Roblox. To change the payment method or payment card on your Roblox account, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to check your internet connection and then log in into your Roblox account. After you open up your application or once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Once you're on this page, click on the three dot icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to take you to the more page, and over here scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find the gear icon or the settings option. Once you're on this page, under settings there are multiple options, so click on billing. After that, you'll be able to see your billing section. Now look for the option to edit or change your payment method or card. It may be labeled as payment method or something similar, and follow the prompt to update your card information. In my case, I haven't added any cards, so you'll not be able to see the same interface as yours. After you tap on the edit button or change button, you will likely to prompt to enter the details of your new payment method or the card, including the card number, expiry date, and then a CVV code. Make sure that you've entered the correct information. After entering the new card information, confirm and save your changes. Now, without deleting your first payment method, now there is no way to add two different payment method on your Roblox account. So you'll have to delete either one of it. Only then you'll be able to make changes. Your payment card information on Roblox should now be updated to a new card you provided. Make sure to double check the information to ensure accuracy. If you encounter any issues or if the process has changed since then, you should definitely get contact with the help center. Then you'll be able to change your card. So in this way, you can change or update your card payment method on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.